Hi and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is the approved used Audi A6 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Firstly, in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle and then we'll check out the interior controls and technology. Starting off at the front vehicle, we do have a daytime running LED headlights, making sure you are seeing whatever the weather is during the day. Around the side, the gorgeous 20-inch alloy wheels. This vehicle does come with the S-Line styling pack, so we do have the S-Line badges on the front wings, as well as the S-Line front and rear bumpers. As this vehicle is the Black Edition, we do have the black mirror housing, black window trims, and that black privacy glass in the back windows of the vehicle. Checking out the interior, we have got the gorgeous half leather seats. In the back there is a pull down armrest for added comfort and a 12-volt plug socket as well, perfect to charge those electronic devices with. So this Audi A6 is diesel, it is automatic and it's done just under 4,000 miles on the clock. Let's take a look inside the boot now. The boot itself is really spacious, plenty of room here for your golf clubs, your shopping, or maybe if you head off on holiday, those suitcases. Back to your interior, we have got the multifunctional steering wheel, which I'll show you in detail in just a second. The front seats do have the S-Line embossed logo on. They're also heated, perfect for those cold winter mornings. Electric, and we do have the lumbar support there as well to support your back. And that does complete our 360 walk around the vehicle. Now time to check out the interior controls and technology. Moving back to the interior, we have got window and mirror controls. This car does come with the memory function for the driver's chair, where you can save 2 different positions away from the steering wheel, which is ideal if there's more than one driver to the car. Multifunctional steering wheel itself does have the S-Line logo at the bottom. Using the buttons on your steering wheel, you can personalise the cockpit display by using these buttons. So whether it's information about your vehicle, selecting your media, can connect your mobile phone to the screen, and then there is a navigation system on board as well. To the right, we've got the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And in the centre, we've got the main display. This is called the MMI, which stands for multimedia interface. You can do a range of things on it, including selecting your media, such as the DAB digital radio, which is built into the car. We also have the navigation system. You can zoom in, zoom out and scroll around. You can connect up to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There is also a rear parking camera on board and also front and rear parking sensors, which are really helpful when you're trying to get in those tight car parking spaces at the supermarket. Just below we've got our air conditioning system. Here we can set various temperatures within the vehicle on the digital display. Of course, turn on and turn off those heated seats. It does come with the Audi Drive Select menu, where you can basically choose how you want the car to perform, and like the stiffness of the steering wheel and the thrust of the vehicle. Just below, we do have a gear shift. Of course, this vehicle is automatic. And this does complete our tour today around this used Audi A6 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.